Hello and welcome back to my channel. This time it's a garage floor project. I'm going to do epoxy coating to this 20 years old garage floor, and the biggest problem at the moment is that it's full of stuff. So I have lots of cleaning to do. So let's get started with the cleaning first. You are maybe wondering what the heck is this guy collecting there, so many boxes everywhere. The thing is that I don't have any real shelves or cabinets in this garage yet, because it has been waiting the floor to be done first. Floor is bare concrete at the moment, no paint or any coating on it. It's also dirty and there are a few long cracks going through the floor. I've actually started organizing this garage already. I installed some ceiling racks. They keep the boxes out of the floor and I can walk under them. I have also hooks for the bikes to keep them out of the way. I'm not going to try washing this or using any concrete etching product for cleanup. I think it will be easiest to rent a heavy duty grinder and sand off the top surface entirely. The machine takes care of all the dirt and stains and should leave nice smooth concrete surface behind. And then the epoxy will stick very well as long as I am able to clean all the dust after grinding. I'm making some good progress with the cleaning. It took days, but finally I have empty floor and I can start grinding it. I have this small angle grinder. It has a 4-inch diamond blade, and this helps me to coat all the corners, because the bigger machine I'm going to use tomorrow, it won't reach all the edges and corners. I have this attached shop vacuum with the bag inside, so I hope this will keep the dust minimum. So let's start grinding and let's see how it goes. Are done. Now I'm going to continue with this walk behind grinder. I rented it from Home Depot, so let's see how it goes. I'm going to do the classic chip look or flake look on this floor, so the flakes will be added to the wet epoxy before it dries. I like how it looks, and those flakes will hide all the imperfections on the concrete. This floor is not 100% straight and there are lower and higher spots. If I would be using any solid plain color, those uneven areas and the cracks would be clearly visible after painting. Urethane top coat will be added on top of the epoxy layer. Clear coat will give better looking finish, and it will be also way more durable than just the epoxy alone. The top coat will also seal the flakes to the floor, and the result will be smooth surface but still having some texture on it to give grip under your shoes. By the way, that tiny soap vac I'm using is not up to the task at all. It's ridiculously small and I'm emptying the bag every 5 minutes. If you are renting the walk behind grinder, it's better to rent a big soap vacuum as well and save lots of time. I'm using Rust-Oleum concrete patch and repair to fill the cracks. It's a 2-part epoxy and dries in about 20 minutes. It worked well. But don't mix the entire bucket at once because you won't have enough time to use it. You have maybe noticed that I'm not cleaning the floor with water at any step on this project. Personally, I think it's not a good idea to wet the concrete floor completely. Water will get inside the cracks and corners and it will not dry in a day or not even in a week. Any moisture inside the cracks will make them get bigger over time, especially if your garage is in colder climate area and if the temperatures will go below freezing point. I compared 3 different epoxy products. First I went to local hardware store. They had the Rust-Oleum kit with acid etching and little flakes. It should be enough for 2.5 garages, but I have heard there are not so much of the epoxy, and since this is a 650 square feet garage, I would need at least 2 kits. To put down a nice thick coat, I would need 3 kits in total. They are cheap, but I would have to buy the clear coat separately somewhere. Second option I was considering was the Legari Flake Floor Kit. They have really great how to do videos in YouTube, and it would be easy to do the project first time just following the YouTube instructions. They have option to order clear coat as well and of course many flake colors. And the third one I found was a company called Spartan Epoxies. They don't have too many fancy YouTube videos, but the guys from this company seem to know what they are doing. Their products are used in many industry-sized shops and factory floors. They have specific garage kits available and you can choose whether you need top coat or not. The prices are mid-range and their website has all the products available, including spike shoes and squeegees, paint roller covers and so on. I divided the floor to 3 working areas. That helped me to measure and mix the right amount of epoxy, clear coat and flakes for each area. Epoxy has only 30 to 45 minutes working time once it has been mixed, so you must have everything ready to go. The main reason I selected Spartan products was the total price, including urethane, clear coat and good amount of flakes. The Legari floor kit would be equally good for sure, but it's also double the price. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of the epoxy selling companies. Everything you see in this video I have bought myself in normal retail price. finally, after the floor had cured several days, my cabinets arrived. I ordered new H Pro Series cabinets, drawers and stainless steel worktop. They are big enough to keep all my tools and equipment inside. The legs can be adjusted to keep them straight, and they make this garage look clean. I have LED spotlights in the ceiling already, and now I am adding a couple of additional LED shop lights. I'm adding also pegboard from Wall Control. I will include the links to the description below if you are interested. I'm really happy with the new floor and the garage overall. The Pro Series cabinets are super sturdy and amazingly big inside. Thanks for watching. If any questions or thoughts, please leave a comment below. If you like how this garage turned out, hit the like button and I will keep uploading more videos.